Normal versus advanced English words. Hello, hello, greetings, greetings. How are you? How are you? How have you been? How have you been? I am fine. I'm fine. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. You're welcome. You're welcome. My pleasure. My pleasure. Sorry. Sorry. I apologize. I apologize. Goodbye. Farewell. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I think so. I think so. I suppose so. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm occupied. I'm occupied. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on a moment. Hold on a moment. See you later. See you later. Catch you later. Catch you later. What do you mean? Could you clarify that? Could you clarify that? Can you help me? Can you help me? Would you mind assisting me? Would you mind assisting me? That's good. That's impressive. That's impressive. Very bad. Absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible. No problem. No problem. No worries. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm starving. Let's go. Shall we proceed? I like it. I like it. I am fond of it. I am fond of it. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. Be careful. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. Hurry up. Hurry up. Let's pick up the pace. Let's pick up the pace. What's your name? What's your name? May I have your name? May I have your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I don't understand. I'm confused. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's fascinating. That's fascinating. I'm tired. I'm tired. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Good job. Well done. It's okay. It's okay. No worries at all. No worries at all. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe to Ibrahim TV channel for more English content.